this is it. I'm sure you guys can tell by the box on this table and by the title of this video that inside this box is the new Galaxy Note 9. Just full disclosure, I'm sorry if I look sweaty or gross. I literally just got out of the gym not too long ago. I ran over to my house, I grabbed this box, I came over to the studio because we got the Note 9 just a couple days before general consumer release, and we're gonna unbox it so you guys know what to expect if you pre-ordered a Note 9 or if you're gonna buy it on launch day. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I got the box open, and obviously this is a pre-order, meaning that it comes with a pre-order bonus, and my pre-order bonus was a pair of like $200 noise canceling AKG headphones. I'll go ahead and give these a try with the Note 9, considering the Note 9 does have a headphone jack. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. There was a bundle that actually included some Fortnite goodies as well, but truth be told, guys, I don't really play Fortnite. So I definitely did not go with that bundle. These were the two choices right here, actually. That's incredibly convenient. So you can get these noise canceling AKG headphones, or you could get 15,000 V-Bucks and a Fortnite skin. But this was definitely more appealing for me, so I went ahead and ordered those. We'll set that aside. This is not important. This is what we're looking for, and I'll go ahead and put the box down. So a little bit different this year. I can't exactly remember the Note 8's box from last year, but I believe it just said Galaxy Note 8 across. As you guys can see, now we just see the S Pen, and the S Pen color I'm assuming is different depending on which note you get. Samsung did put a lot of emphasis on this year's S Pen just because they've added a lot of features to it, and now the S Pen has Bluetooth functionality. So I'm super excited to give that a try. And as you guys can see on the back of the box, I did go with the 512 gigabyte version. That's absolutely insane, and one of the biggest reasons why I went with it was because it comes with 8 gigs of RAM, whereas the 128 gigabyte version only comes with 6 gigs. And for those of you out there who have owned or previously used any Galaxy products, you know that they're generally really RAM-hungry devices. So for this particular phone, I definitely wanted to go with the most RAM possible. So we're gonna go ahead and use my keys to get that open. This should already be open, yep. Actually, you know what? Let's start with the headphones. I kind of want to see what's inside this box. So I've never actually used a pair of AKG over-the-ear headphones. I'm not the biggest audiophile out there, but in terms of over-the-ear headphones, I have quite a few pairs of Beats. And I know that doesn't really mean much because people who really care about music don't really buy Beats unless you're really into hip-hop. But these seem to be pretty premium right out of the box. Let me get these out of the earpieces. They seem to look and feel really premium outside of the box. Cushioning feels nice and soft around the top of the head and around the ears as well. I'm not sure. Yes, they are wireless. I just checked the box. They are wireless. So that comment earlier about the headphone jack, that actually doesn't even matter because these headphones are wireless. So inside the box, you guys get a nice carrying bag along with these headphones. And it looks like there's some instruction manuals and stuff like that down here at the bottom. But you guys didn't come here to see the AKG headphones. You came here to see the Galaxy Note 9. So let's get this out of the way. And let's go ahead and open this up. So in typical Samsung boxing fashion, it's like an accordion style box and it folds out. You're greeted by the general kind of meet and greet paperwork, Galaxy Note 9 on the front. And there is the star of the show. There's a little pull tab right here that pulls the Galaxy Note 9 out. Now one thing, okay, let's get the color out of the way first. This is the ocean blue variant, and I am so excited to actually have an ocean blue Galaxy Note. It's one of my favorite colors since I saw it on the Note 8, and I've always wanted that color. I never had it. I had the black Galaxy Note 8, and I cannot complain with that color either. There's just something about a majority black glass phone that's just super stealth, but this year, I think Samsung killed it with the ocean blue and the yellow S Pen accent, as you guys can see right there, and super clicky still too. So let's go ahead and throw this in there. Now the cool part about the S Pen is it does charge with the Note as well. So let's go ahead and throw this to the side. Let's see what else is in here. So we have a USB-A to USB-C converter. We have your standard wireless charging brick. And underneath this little flap, you can see you've got your USB-A to USB-C cable. You've got your AKG tuned headphones, which apparently these have a good value according to Samsung as well. So that's nice to see in the box, on top of the fact that I got a pre-order bundle of another pair of headphones. Got some extra ear cushions, and it looks like these are clips of some kind. I'm not really gonna use those. I'll go ahead and set those in there. Let's see if there's anything else in this box. I don't think there's anything else left in this box, guys. That should just about be it in terms of what else is left besides the phone. So we're gonna go ahead and put all this back. Now here's what I know you guys are gonna love to hear. Let's listen to this. Oh man, I don't know about y'all, but I think that is incredibly satisfying. Let's see if we can get the front. Kind of, not too bad, not too bad. Let's go ahead and turn this on. As you guys already know, it's gonna have an infinity display, and Samsung just about has the best displays on the market. Now, prior to this phone coming out, or even the Galaxy S9, it was typically the iPhone 10, but hey, guess who made the iPhone 10's display? Yeah, it was Samsung. So the one place you really, really have to credit Samsung is on that display. So let's go ahead and set this down here and wait for that to fire up. Now, I don't know if you guys can see on the table based on the shot, but I have my Pixel 2 XL and my iPhone 10. Those are the two phones I typically carry on me all the time. And the SIM card is going to come out of my Pixel 2 XL and it's going to jump into my Galaxy Note 9 for at least the next week or so. So there you guys have it. That is what your start menu looks like. This does come with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. And that just about does it for this unboxing, guys. I am super stoked to give this phone a shot. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the SIM card into this device. You guys obviously won't see that part, but I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Be on the lookout. We're gonna post a review of this phone really soon. We've also got some comparisons with other phones that I currently have on me. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. As always, thank you guys so much for dropping by, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Is that good? Are you still filming? Why?